In the cloud economy, technology is ubiquitous, and businesses want to consume technology as a service. A shift away from complex engineering, and a shift towards solutions that are optimized and purpose-built. Technology should drive your business, not be a cost center, but add real business value. And it's never been easier for technology to be accessible and actionable to a business. Those that overcome their barrier to change will prosper. Companies that embrace the cloud economy will be able to innovate faster and will be quicker to market than their competitors, while those that lag will face increasing pressure to remain relevant. But we don't see cloud as a place to go. We see cloud as a principle to adopt. There are 5 core tenets of cloud: self-service provisioning, some type of portal or app store; on-demand automation. This is the magic behind the scenes that gives your application life and allows you to work. Some type of chargeback consumption, a way to pay per user or per use. The 4th is elastic scalability, the ability to add users quickly and shrink even if needed. And the last is anywhere access. But all this flexibility can't come at the expense of security. We're in a tumultuous time with security threats seemingly coming from everywhere at once. But we also want and demand control. Control of the access, who gets in and who doesn't. Control of the data, what are people allowed to have access to. And control of the user experience. While it may seem like going to the cloud gives you less control, much higher levels of visibility and access actually allows you to take back control. When building technology plans, we're used to roadmaps. It usually is very complex, it takes a long time, and we do a lot of planning to make sure that we find the right route. But we don't believe you need a roadmap. We think you need a flight plan. It's time to let in the cloud at your own pace. It's time for a cloud-ready architecture. It's time for your infrastructure to allow you to leverage cloud services predictably, reliably, and securely. But that can't happen when we keep looking at technology like this, and all the time spent evaluating, implementing, updating, upgrading, even just managing the support contracts associated with all these different parts and pieces. It's expensive, it's complex, it's not very secure, and it's a ticking time bomb just waiting for one of these parts to fail. But what if we could stop looking at the infrastructure as a bunch of parts that have to somehow fit together? And what if we started to look at the infrastructure like a system? Well, that's exactly what we've done. With Qube, your entire environment arrives completely pre-configured. We've engineered high availability in every way. It's predictable. It's a single monthly cost, including all the equipment and all of the managed support. And it's secure. It's backed by Cisco, the #1 global leader in networking and security. And this is how simple it is. Go to qube.tech, put in the number of users and what features you want, and the configurator takes care of the rest. Once your order is placed, the provisioning process begins. Your entire environment gets physically assembled. We do all of the logical configuration to manufacture best practices, and we optimize your network, your wireless, even your WAN connectivity to make sure that all of your voice, video, and applications perform at their peak. Once the assembly is done, it's packed up and shipped right to your business. Once your Qube arrives, it's just a matter of moving it into position, plugging in power, your internet connection, and your devices. We'll even send people out to help you. Qube can be used in a myriad of different use cases, from small business to large enterprise to challenging environments. There's a Qube for every location. For a cloud-ready proof of value, visit qube.tech for more information.